Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add another account in Google Authenticator. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to log into your Google Authenticator account. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Go ahead and tap on this icon to access your profile settings management page. This is where you'll be able to manage all your accounts and add new ones to your Authenticator. Now, from your profile settings page, you'll see an option that says Add another account with a plus sign next to it. Tap on this option to proceed. This feature allows you to link multiple Google accounts to your Authenticator, which is incredibly useful if you manage several accounts or want to keep your personal and work accounts separate but easily accessible from one app. After tapping Add another account, the app will begin checking your information. You'll need to wait a moment while it processes this request. During this time, the system is preparing to securely link your new account to the Authenticator, ensuring everything is set up properly for two-factor authentication. Once the checking process finishes, you'll be prompted to log in to the Google account you want to add. You'll see a login screen where you need to enter your email address, type in the email address of the account you wish to add, then tap on the Next button to continue. Make sure you're entering the correct email address to avoid any login issues. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password for that account. Type in your password carefully to ensure it's correct. This step is crucial because it verifies that you're the authorized owner of the account you're trying to add. After entering your password, the app will process your login credentials and authenticate your account. And that's it. You've now successfully added another account to your Google Authenticator, giving you quick access to two-factor authentication codes for multiple accounts all in one place. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.